guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I'm gonna show you guys how I created that beautiful smoky look that you guys saw earlier. So I'm just gonna go in with my Louise base primer. Guys, this primer is the best. I swear by this product, okay? Whenever you're doing a eyeshadow look, trust me, that Louise primer makes that eyeshadow shade pop, okay? So I'm gonna be using that Soft Glam Anastasia palette, and I use the shade Cypress Umber as my transition shade, and I just layer that transition shade on my brow bone. So next I went into that shade Noir, still using that Soft Glam palette, and I stipple that shade in on just below that transition shade. And now guys, I'm just going in with that Smashbox Smokey Eye Palette, and I'm going to be using the two shades from this palette, which is the green and gray shade, and I'm just going to put that green shade in that crease area of my eyes, and I'm also going to apply that gray shade on top of that brow bone area, and then I'm also going to apply that gray shade on top of the green, so we could now create that smoky illusion. So just like that guys, we are done creating this smoky eye look. You see how easy that was? 1, 2, 3, with only 3 shades actually, right? 3 shades, well actually 4, okay, just to create this smoky look. So I did do my lashes and created my wing off camera just to save time, but if you guys would love to see how I apply my lashes and struggled with my wings, just let me know. And I'm talking about my wing liner, okay? That's a wing. But so you can see that I went in with my Maybelline primer. I'm new to this primer, but I'm actually loving it. It actually does the work that it says it should do, okay? So I really love this primer. So after applying the primer, we're going to go straight in with our foundation, and here we go with the hearts that I'm trying to create to my subscribers, which is you guys. Thank you so much for being a part of the family. Yes, all hearts and love, that's all we are given on this channel, okay? And guys, if I'm not, I know I'm not giving all the products in detail, I'm not explaining them in detail what I'm using on my face, but not to worry, your girl got you. I'll be leaving all the products that I use in order in detail in the description below, okay? I got you. All right, sugar break. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with it. I said I'm going to go in with these gummy bears. Yes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use my Morphe brush, and I'm gonna stipple away that concealer. We all know that we're not supposed to be wiping, we're not supposed to be rubbing, we're supposed to be pressing in our cream products, okay? So I'm just stippling in that concealer under my eyes and everywhere that I conceal or where I want to be highlighted, okay? Please don't pay too much attention to my mouth, okay? I'm enjoying my gummy bears. Leave me be. So I'm just gonna go in with my Milk Translucent Deep Setting Powder, and I'm just gonna set all the highlighted areas. And remember, you cannot forget to set your concealer, okay? Because you don't want any crease. You don't want to step out the house without setting your concealer, okay? Or any cream product that you put on your face, because that's going to create a lot of creasing, guys. All right, so after setting my concealer, as you can see, guys, I'm like really going in with this powder. Like, this is one of my favorite powders that I have in my collection. Like, the setting of it is just so flawless, so airbrushed. Like, this powder is definitely the truth, and whenever I use this powder, trust me, I have no worries, no complaints, no flashbacks, no nothing. Now going in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. I'm just going along my cheekbones, on my forehead, under my chin area, so I could hide all those, what you call those, double chin? Yes, I'm hiding that double chin. What? You say you saw a double chin? Excuse me, where? Where, sis? Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with the Sephora Matte Perfection Powder, and this is the 64 Neutral Mocha. Yes, and with that I'm using a more fluffier brush so I could get a nice soft finish. Now I'm just going to go in with my Black Radiance Contour Palette, and I'm using that contour shade to kind of warm up and set that contour that I did with the Fenty Cream Contour. I love this line, this Black Radiance line. They have such beautiful shades and it complements your skin so beautifully, especially for women of color. Love it. You could get this at any drugstore. Walmart is where I got mine. So yes, get you a palette, ladies. Hold up, wait. See, you guys thought I forgot about my nose contour. Oh no, honey, we gotta blend that baby away. We can't leave the house with a contour that's not blended away. Hi guys, this is a friendly reminder just to let you know, if you are not subscribed to this channel and you are watching this video, pause this video. Don't even pause it, just subscribe to the channel, okay? And I do upload weekly videos, so you'll be seeing a lot of my videos every week okay? And also please turn on your notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload a brand new video, okay? What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and come on over and join the family. I'm waiting. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Too Faced bronzer, and I'm just gonna add this, still using the fluffy brush, on the areas that I need just a little bit of warmth. So I'm just adding a little on my cheekbones, along my hairline, and yes, I'm gonna go in with my Nars blush, and I'm just gonna add that on top of that bronzer along my cheekbones. Okay, so now it is time for highlight. Yay! I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome. This highlight, it is drugstore, but it is super pigmented. So I literally had to take the smallest amount and build it as I go until I had the desired look that I was actually going for. I'm just gonna go in with my NYX Eye Pencil, and I'm using that white color to kind of open up my eyes in the bottom just a bit so I could get a pop, so I don't have all those dark shades and clouded my eyes. Now I just want to open up my eyes a little bit. So yes, if you want your eyes to appear a little bit bigger, you just use white eye pencil, okay, to open your eyes up a bit. And I'm just gonna line that below that with that black liner, and I'm just gonna smoke out the bottom of my lashes, the bottom of my eyes, with the brush I use for my eyeshadow. But I'm not gonna put on any product on it. I'm gonna use just what's left on that brush. So now I'm just gonna go in with my black lip liner and align my lips, and after doing that I'm just gonna go on top of that with the Kylie Dolce K shade on top of that lip liner. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Please also don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Also, please don't forget to turn on your notifications so you'll be alerted whenever I upload a brand new video. Bye guys.